Alrighty, traders, George here, and time for your week in review and a highlight of the trades of the week. Let's jump right into it. To start out with, on the day trade front, saw a pretty interesting series of 3 mornings. Tuesday morning saw a lot of chop and contraction. Saw the same thing on Wednesday, but things opened up going into Chicago Merc lunch with some more directional moves that really put all the gains on the table for the week. And actually Thursday started out pretty well in the morning, but led to a bunch of chop right away, putting that short session there in the red a bit. But after the 3 mornings there, up just over $1,560 after commission, and that was trading at about a 51% win rate there. Pressing on to the balance beam trades from the video on Monday, just to give you a background for oil, looking for prices to break over 46.42s and to break below 46.17s for the shorts. 46.17 needed to see price move up and then break down. And for the Nasdaq, looking for 44.46 quarters to get long and 44.33s to get short, and that we were likely going to see a lot of chop here to look for the re-entries on any opportunities to do so. And the upside target here at 46.25 for target number 3. So on oil, initially able to get the bounce that moved in favor to hit target 1 for the long, and then breaking down below 46.16s, really saw a lot of strong downward energy and really culminated at the third target zone down here at 44.91s. And for the Nasdaq, we did chop up here a bit, and we made a beeline here Friday and basically stalled out at the target 3. And then, of course, that Facebook and FireEye stock trade as well. On the performance sheet here, just to show you how that worked out, here's the chop in the Nasdaq, trying to get long, trying to get short. A couple of stop outs here, 3 of them that were less than initial, 1 at initial, and then on Friday morning, taking the short in favor and then going long. A perfect example here of trading what you see and how taking the next setup and signal keeps us in that flow of positive expectancy. And you can see the monster gain there on the last trade going into Friday, and it's exactly to the price point that the balance beam showed us. This is why the balance beam model is so powerful, to be able to put these kinds of gains up. And as I've mentioned many times, they're the type of trades where most people think it's impossible to go up that much or in that direction. This was going up that much long, and we pretty much nailed the upside target there. It's exactly where price stalled out. For oil, picked up that initial long, and then the short moved in favor. Beautiful trade there as well, and that one also culminating at the target 3 and seeing price sort of stall out there as well. The balance beam again showing the power of those signals that it shows us. And then for Facebook, that one triggered long and has moved 5.67% in favor. That's still active. The trade on FireEye did not trigger. Fantastic week trading. The balance beam just not letting up whatsoever with the amount of gains we're able to pick up. Fantastic trades here. This one went exactly as I explained to you in the video on Monday. You can see the follow through here just a handful of days later, and all these gains on the table. Use the link at the bottom of the video. Hop in the live room. You can watch me day trade following what the model shows us to do for the DSR model, and be on alert for all these new balance beam setups in the position trade market for the futures and stocks. And until then, I'll see you back in the live room.